Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share my recipe with you for making hamburgers and hash browns at home. Here are the ingredients: mayonnaise, honey mustard, ketchup, hamburger buns, hamburger patties, cheese, tomatoes, onion, lettuce, garlic salt, black pepper, hash brown patties. First, put 4 hamburger patties with 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Cook for 2 minutes on each side. Sprinkle with some garlic salt. And black pepper. Set it aside when it's done. In a clean pan, heat 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And cook 4 hash browns until done, about 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Then set them aside. Assemble the hamburger. Spread mayonnaise and honey mustard on each side of the buns. Place the hamburger patties on the buns. Add ketchup on top if desired. Add sliced cheese, lettuce, then add the sliced tomato, sliced onion, serve with hash browns on the side. If you prefer French fries, you can serve those instead. For a double patty burger, add an extra patty as desired. Enjoy your meal. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.